At SARK Engineers and Consultants, our energy audit methodology is built on one principle: measurable improvement through engineering clarity. We approach every audit as a structured technical exercise designed to improve efficiency, reduce cost, and support practical implementation across industrial and infrastructure-intensive facilities. Our focus remains on delivering data-driven insights that translate into real-world energy savings. Every energy audit begins with a clear definition of objective, system boundary, and expected deliverables. Before measurements begin, we study plant operations, production patterns, and major energy-consuming systems. We also align with your specific reporting requirements and compliance needs. This ensures the audit scope is not vague. It is defined, documented, and aligned to operational reality. The next stage is on-site assessment and measurement. We evaluate actual operating conditions rather than relying only on design assumptions. This includes inspection of motors, boilers, compressors, chillers, and pumps across all utility systems. We conduct detailed load profiling and operating hour analysis to understand true consumption patterns. The objective is to generate ground truth data directly from the plant floor. Once field data is collected, performance benchmarking begins. System performance is compared against design intent and rated efficiencies. We also measure your performance against applicable norms and global industry best practices. This helps identify gaps in specific energy consumption, equipment loading, and conversion efficiency. Benchmarking turns raw measurement into actionable performance insight. Collected information is then validated and structured into system-wise and plant-level energy balances. Data is normalized against production and operating conditions so that conclusions are technically meaningful. This stage reveals where energy is consumed, where it is lost, and where deviations are occurring. We provide clarity on the thermal and electrical flows throughout your entire facility. Based on this analysis, we identify energy conservation measures, or ECMs. These may include operational improvements or control optimization. We look for equipment efficiency upgrades, heat recovery opportunities, and process redesign. Every measure is filtered through one test. Can it work on site, in real operating conditions? Our recommendations prioritize reliability and operational stability alongside savings. No recommendation is complete without techno-economic evaluation. Each measure is assessed for savings potential and capital requirement. We evaluate operating impact, implementation complexity, and realistic payback periods. Where useful, AI-assisted analytical tools help compare scenarios and detect patterns across large datasets. But the final recommendation is always validated by our experienced engineering team. Reporting is then translated into decision-ready documentation. This includes technical reporting and management summaries. We provide clear energy balance visuals and set implementation priorities. The result is not just an audit report. It is a roadmap for action, approvals, and funding decisions. We ensure you have the data needed to drive operational improvement and executive commitment. Where required, we continue beyond the report through implementation support and post-audit review. This can include technical clarifications, vendor coordination, and parameter fine-tuning. We also provide performance verification after execution to confirm the achieved savings, because real value is created only when savings are sustained on site. Engineering judgment drives every recommendation. This methodology has been applied across more than 500 energy audits globally. If your facility needs a structured, implementation-focused energy audit, SARK Engineers and Consultants is ready to support.